10,000 subscribers. This is amazing, guys. I want to say thank you for subscribing to the channel. Without your support, I never ever would have gotten here. In 2020, since I started doing this, I never thought it's actually get to this point. My goal was to document everything that I learned about Blender and post it on the channel. After 160 videos, that's this video, we are now past 10,000 subscribers. Blender Art is over 700,000 views and over 22 of watch time of videos at this point. I will keep making videos for years to come, and now we just started. I will do my best to improve my videos and my skills to help you out so far as I can. To say thanks, I want to give back to you. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you Katie. And right now you can download this character in the description below absolutely for free. You can use this character in your game, in your movie, it's belong to you. Once again, thank you for watching. He is Zultan and see you in the next one.